Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the next part of the chapter is depression of freezing points. Before that, in the previous period, we say that the elevation of boiling points and its numericals. Okay, so depression of freezing point. First of all, we say that what do you mean by freezing points? Freezing points, it is defined as the at a particular temperature and atmospheric pressure the liquid convert into a solid state. This temperature is called as a freezing points. Understood? So liquid convert into solid, this process is called as freezing. So now here freezing temperature of solvent, we say that TF solvent, okay, and freezing temperature of solution, we say that TF solution. And always remember, the freezing temperature of solution is lesser than freezing temperature of solvent, because inside the solution some non-volatile solute is there, and due to the presence of solute it will absorb the negative side of heat. Is it clear? So del TF, that is depression of freezing point, is equal to TF solvent minus TF solution. TF solvent minus TF solution. Just for example, we say that here the freezing temperature of water is equal to 0 degree Celsius, that is 273 Kelvin, and the freezing temperature of 10% NaCl solution is minus 5 degree Celsius, that is 268 Kelvin. So what is the del TF here? Del TF will be 273 minus 268 is equal to 5 Kelvin is the del TF of this substances. Understood? Now next thing is here relationship between depression of freezing points and the lowering of vapor pressure. Relationship between del TF and lowering of vapor pressure. You know the lowering of vapor pressure, that is P0 minus P. So del TF is equal to क्या होगा? del TF is equal to TF solvent minus TF solution. TF solvent minus TF solution, and the lowering of vapor pressure is equal to P0 minus P. P0 is the vapor pressure of solvent and P is the vapor pressure of solution. So the graphically it say that here on x-axis here it is temperature in degree Celsius, and on y-axis will be the pressure. Now this one curve is for the vapor pressure of solvent, that is P0, and this curve is for vapor pressure of solution, that is P. Then this for solvent, this for solution. This is a temperature. Now this line joined with here it say that T of solvent, T of solvent, and here it is T of solution. And this difference, which one? This difference, listen, it say that P0 minus Ps. Again I repeat, then लीजिए, this is the vapor pressure of solvent, that is P0. This is vapor pressure of solution, it is P. This one is T of solvent, क्योंकि ये solvent की लाइन है, ये solution का है. Now this difference, it say that del T F. So by using this graph, what you have to think, this P0 minus Ps is directly proportional to del T F. How is it? अगर हम solution का concentration बढ़ाते हैं, ये vapor pressure और भी कम होगा, सही है? So vapor pressure is again decreases if you are adding the more amount of solute. So definitely the freezing temperature is also decrease. ये freezing temperature भी decrease होगा. और अभी ये जो curve है, it are getting the P0 minus Ps. ये vapor pressure of solution ही है. But this is a dilute and this one is for just concentrated. Means having a more amount of solute. Now this difference, it again say that solvent का तो fix है. Only solution का freezing temperature change होते रहेगा. It depend upon amount of solute present in solution. So by using this graph, it clearly say that P del Tf is directly proportional to P0 minus P. P0 minus P. But experimentally del Tf is depend upon molar concentration of solution, and hence del Tf is directly proportional to molality. क्योंकि जब आप यहाँ पे अमाउंट ऑफ सोल्यूट बढ़ा रहे हैं, मतलब उस सब्सटेंस का मोलर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, सो दिस डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड टू द molar concentration of solution, that is molality. So del Tf is directly proportional to yam. So del Tf is equal to Kf into yam. Small m for molality, and here Kf is the molar depression constant, or is also say that the proportionality constant. Is it clear the terms? So this is del Tf is equal to Kf into yam. Now next thing is determination of molecular weight from the depression of freezing points. Here determination of molecular weight of solute from del Tf. Del Tf मतलब depression of freezing points. Is it clear? Now according to equations, which equation? Del Tf is equal to Kf into yam. Kf into yam. Equation number here 1. Okay. Now yam is the molality. Now here ये molality is equal to weight of solute upon molecular weight of solute into 1000 upon weight of solvent. Therefore, so molality is equal to WA, A for solute and B for solvent. So WA upon MA into 1000 upon WB. This is for molality. Is it clear? Then substitute the value of molality. Substitute the value of molality in equation 1. We get what we get? Del Tf is equal to Kf into Wa into 1000 upon Ma into Wb. Understood? So here Ma is equal to Kf into Wa into 1000 upon this del Tf into Wb, and this is very important formula to determine the molecular weight. Ma indicate molecular weight. So where Wa क्या होगा? Wa is equal to weight of solute. Ma molecular weight of solute, correct? Then Wb weight of solvent. Del Tf depression of freezing points. At last Kf is the molar depression constant. So these are a very simple formula, and by using this formula you have to determine the molecular weight of dissolved solute in the given solution. Understood? Then now we see some numericals. Okay, you apply this formula. Okay, some formulas will be there. We have to write these formulas. Here formula. Now the formula, first one is del Tf is equal to Tf solvent minus Tf solution. Second one is del Tf is equal to Kf into yam. Third one is here del Tf is equal to Kf into Wa into 1000 upon Ma into Wb. Now fourth is Ma is equal to Kf into Wa into 1000 upon del Tf into Wb. Understood? And the next one is number 5, Kf is equal to del Tf upon m. So number 6, Kf is equal to, क्या होगा? Kf is equal to the Ma into del Tf into Wb upon Wb upon Wa into 1000. So these are different formulas is related to the depression of freezing points. Understood? So thank you so much here.